Josh. Hey, where are we going today? Alright, man. What are we going to do at the Science Museum? Oh, yeah? What are we going to go watch trains for? Epic or an epic film? Alright, man. Well, hey, get your coat, I'll get my coat, get you in the car, and we'll get out of here. Ready? See you in a minute. Well, here we are, Josh. You ready?
Yes.
You ready, Jesse?
Yes.
Alright.
Well, we're in line right now, so guys might go later.
Okay, we'll come back. Got here. This is the G train.
Look, a missile, a tank, a donkey.
Oh, nothing says Christmas like a
Santa.
nuclear warhead.
What is that?
And she's coming around the turn, Josh. Here she comes. Look at that mama right there.
It looks thirsty.
Oh, look, Percy the train. Alright, let's find another train. Come on, Josh. Huh? Pretty cool, huh? That's a long one right there, Josh. What do you got there, man? What all we got up here?
Good afternoon, Science Center guests. Happening right now in Cosmic Rays on the second floor of Space Ships. It's our
We're going
free
here.
live sci-fi show.
It's over here.
Transiting Nashville, past and future.
Look at these little tiny trains, Josh.
See what the future holds. In our free live sci-fi show right now in Cosmic Rays on the second floor of Space Chase.
That's a tiny train, man.
No, it's a long train. That's what I mean.
No, they're gonna crash.